Yun. Ito na ang nakaka. We're gonna ride a train. Sasakay tayo ng train. Just like Singapore and Hong Kong. Going to the immigration. Magte-train tayo guys. Going to our gate sa immigration. Nice kuya. Hey guys. So huwag mag-panic guys. Just follow the crowd. Para hindi tayo maligaw.
Camera for?
Hindi, here lang muna. Immigration. Kunti lang ang pila. Pero mamaya marami na yan. Dito tayo. Kukuha. Ayun o, bus ticket. Doon kayo kukuha ng ticket ha. So we're here na. Mag-withdraw muna tayo ng ating money because wala tayong money.
Ganda.
Diyan guys. Diyan kayo mag-withdraw ng inyong GCash SIM card. So mag-withdraw na tayo. Dito natin ititake ang late night bus kasi mag-iintay pa tayo. Ayaw na maghintay ng mga kasama ko. So that's 64,300 won. So nasa around 2,000 plus. No, thank you. Uber. We already have Uber. Thank you. 1C.
1C there.
Here. Dad. Thank you. Red light.
In Hong Kong, you almost got a ticket, or you did, didn't you? And in Canada, I know about the button. You gotta push the button.
You have to push the button.
And based on the customs experience we just got, you have to follow the rules in Korea.
Oo nga.
This is Korea.
This is not Philippines. So, ang bus namin ay nandun. Okay, andun ang Uber namin, guys. Sa red line. I have green line. Pwede ba, babe? Yeah, 4? Yes? No? Cannot fit?
Yeah?
Self-check-in at 2 a.m. Diyos ko, dahil lang ng katawa-tawa. Dad, help mo na to. Bye, Uber.
6.5.
So, here is our Airbnb. Turn on mo yung light. Wow! Turn on the TV. Ay, ang laki ng bedroom nyo ah.
Nice to.
Wow.
Tingnan nga natin ano meron sa
Adi.
Korea Netflix.
And my the white carving.